Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of LCD module hybrid structure with LEDs on the PCB. First, split the small PCBAs away from the big one. Second, put a high-temperature proof adhesive tape onto the junction of the FPC of COG LCD. Third, remove the protection film from the top of the backlight and the protection film from the bottom of the LCD screen, and press the COG LCD into the walls of the LED backlight. Fourth, solder the FPC of the COG LCD onto the PCB with tin. Fifth, remove the release paper of the double-sided tape from the backlight and assemble the COG LCD module and the PCBA together. Sixth, wipe out the extra tin from the PCBA with industrial alcohol. Seventh, put a high-temperature proof adhesive tape onto the junction of the FPC and the PCBA. Eighth, quality test and visual inspection. Ninth, labeling and packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.